Wagwan people, are your boy Andre, and in this video, I want to look a little bit on the many ways that we use on and in Jamaican. The different ways may surprise you. Coming up after this. Welcome back to the channel where we teach the language of Jamaica and the four part for preserve the Jamaican culture. Alright, so in this video, we're going to look at the different ways we use on and in. And if you watch to the end, we have a phrase we use in a multitude of ways, which is common, that more want to show now. You might think to yourself, what could be so complicated about the two? It's not complicated at all, but we have a couple of ways how we deviate from English. So without further ado, make we jump into the video. We use on in Jamaican in a few ways. The first thing that changed with on, I will write it like this and pronounce it pan. And depending upon the variation of Jamaican you speak, sometimes pa. It can mean either on or when you bring attention to something specifically, at. We could check out some examples. What you depend, which is what are you on? Now, this have a double meaning. It can mean what are you physically on or what's going on with you. Look on top of the table and bring my key them come for me. Which is look on top of the table and bring my keys for me. Look on them people there. Me not think they know them ago. Which is look at those people. I don't think they know where they are going. Look on you how you get big. Which is look at you how you got big or look at you how big you got. Side note, sometimes we use the word ko in place of look to point out things. So that same example could have been, kup on you how you get big. Same goes for look here or look there. It could either be kuya or kude. So for reiterate, pan or pa means on, and in the context of something being pointed out, at. And as always, you're going to see this going forward. The next thing we're going to look upon, see what I did there? How we treat in Jamaican. And we do that in two ways. First, it retains the English form in front of de and ya to mean in there or in here. But for other applications, we use the word inna. Now, depending on the context, inna could mean a few things other than in. It could mean into, inside of, or inner. So pay attention to the context. We could look on a few examples of this. We know inna them thing there, which is one of the titles to one of my favorite songs by Morgan Heritage, and means we are not into those things. Go looking at the house and bring my phone come, which is go look in or inside of the house and bring my phone. The doctor them said the infection in him inner ear, which is the doctor said the infection is in his inner ear. You know, in a nothing with you, which is I am not into anything with you, or I am not getting involved in whatever it is that you're involved in. Looking at my suitcase and take one of the shirt them, which is look in or inside of my suitcase and take one of the shirts. Second, when used as a directive or direct action, we use in. For example, come in before the rain starts fall, which is come in before the rain starts falling. Put in the condom when the water boil, which is put in the corns when the water is boiling. Me I go into the city go take in a concert, which is I am going into the city to take in a concert. Push in the button to start the car, which is push in the button to start the car. We're going to use this going forward, and this heavily used, so you won't need to memorize it. Alright, so thanks for watching the video to the end. But before we wrap things up, I have a special request from one of you to go over how we use the phrase not easy and what it means. The generic way, it not easy means it's not easy. Now, we can pair it with any of the following noun or pronoun. For example, me no easy, you no easy, them no easy, we no easy, him, she, John, or another name, no easy. And in theory, mean none of us are easy. This is where it get interesting. If someone tells you a funny joke, you know easy could be a response in the context of you're funny. Someone acting crazy, you know easy in the context of you're crazy. Someone disrespecting you, you know easy in the context of don't even think about it. Someone performs well, you know easy, in the context of job well done. We can't cover all of the scenarios, but you get the idea. So whenever you hear the phrase no easy, paired with a noun or pronoun, it can either mean the generic not easy or anything but. But you have to pay attention to the context and the delivery to know what it means. If this makes sense, let me know in the comments. All right, people. So we're at the end of another lesson. Thanks for hanging out with me. I'm going to use all of this going forward, so don't worry yourself. We'll make some good progress. We're going to leave it yourself for this one, but we'll keep the lesson them going. So thanks again for all on the support. But until next time, see you up on the next one. And as always, take it easy.